Hello mga ka-VA, it's me again, Anthony, nagbabalik. By the way, so for today's video, pag-usapan natin about freelancing career 2024. And if kung baguhan ka pa lang and you saw this video, don't miss out and watch this video until the end. Okay, so I received some comments in my socials or some messages I receive, they are keep on asking on how to start their VA career or how to start in a freelancing without experience. Okay, so yun sasagutin natin ngayon. Okay, so first question is paano ba mag-start ng freelancing or as a VA nang wala kang experience? Okay, so before that, kailangan maging consistent ka. Okay? So, kailangan nakafocus ka. You need to be focused on your goals. Kung gusto mo talaga maging successful, gusto mo talaga maging freelancing, okay? Gusto mo talaga maging VA, then you need to focus. Okay? So, what I can say is that, okay, so let's answer that one. So, how to start? So, you need to be resourceful, okay? So, you need to be resourceful. We have a lot of tutorials. We have a lot of free resources online, like in TikTok or in a YouTube. So, you can watch those videos. If you are focused on SMM, then there's a lot of videos. If you're focused on a lead generation or if you're focused on email marketing, then watch those video. Okay, so wag mo munang aralin lahat. So you need to focus one niche or skills na gusto mo talagang gawin. Okay, yan yung munang focus mo para mabilis yung process and madali kang matuto. Okay, so kasi pag pinagsabay-sabay mo lahat, so ang tendency kasi niyan is hindi mo na ma-focusan kung ano talaga yung offer mo sa client. Okay, so that's also the same thing what I did on how I started. So I focus on one niche and yan na yung pinagpapatuloy-tuloy ko lang and until after nagawa ko na siya, naging successful na sa niche na yun. So I upskills on the other skills or niche. So ganun lang yung gagawin ninyo. You need to be focused on one skills or niche that you have that you really wanted to do. Then that's definitely after that one you can see the result. Okay. So the second one is that ano yung mga recommended training that's also the comments that I receive. Ano yung recommended training para sa mga newbie? But for me is that I did not recommend to attend paid training. I know there's a lot of paid training, but I do not suggest that you need to attend with if you don't have the capacity to enroll, kung wala kang budget right now. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-attend or hindi mo na kailangan mag-enroll for any paid training. Because I do believe that there's a lot of free resources na pwede mong matutunan online yung mga skills na tinuturo doon sa training. Okay, so we have a lot of videos about what I've said earlier. So we have videos or tutorials in YouTube or in a TikTok, so that might a big help for you. Okay, so hindi mo na kailangan mag-enroll if wala kang pera or wala kang budget right now. Okay, so that's also what I did before. Before I enrolled the paid training, so I watch a lot of video tutorial, then I apply it personally, then that's my experience. So nagkaroon ako ng experience instantly. Okay, so just watch the video just for free, and um, there's a lot of content creator also who are doing uploading content like on how to start a VA. You can watch those content or videos. Marami kang makikita sa TikTok and hindi ka na mahihirapan. Okay, so huwag ka mag-alala if you don't have a budget right now. Kung baguhan ka pa lang, there's a high tendency na maging successful ka pa rin. Okay, so that's also what I started before. Wala akong experience at all. Then I started self-study. I started watching the videos randomly, different content creator. Then I have those skills right now. Okay? And then, if you have your budget naman to enroll with the paid training, so what I can say is that if you enroll the paid training, what are the advantage between two? If you enroll and if you don't have money to enroll with. Well, if you enroll the paid training, is that uh, it depends on the training or the community that you attended with if they offer their internship, if they have internship. So that's also an advantage for you because kung nag-attend ka ng paid training, then they offer a internship after that training, then that's also the reason you get your first client. Okay, so and aside from that, if kung ikaw naman yung tao na you need guidance during the process, so kung kailangan mo talaga ng ganong system, flow process. So, it might be suggested to attend well para maging focus ka din. Pero kung okay naman sa'yo na you can conduct a self-study, then go for it. Why not? Di ba? Nakalibre ka na. Di ba? So, hindi mo na kailangan magbayad. Okay. Then, if you attended the training, you will be receiving a certificate. It might be one or two or three certificates. It depends on the community that you are enrolling with. Okay, and those certificates also you can use that as when you are applying for a job. You can place it. You can make a portfolio of that and a compilation, and you can put it in your portfolio, and makakatulong din po yan. Okay, and the most important there is the knowledge or the skills, the niche that we have. Kailangan alam natin before we applying for a job. So it doesn't really affect or it doesn't really matter kung saan community ka galing for paid training or kung nag-sub-study ka lang, well, it's totally fine. Walang kaibahan. Walang kaibahan when it comes to the learning, but the difference there is maybe the process, kung you need a guidance, kung marami kang mga questions about along the process, pwede ka magtanong if you have attended the paid training. But wala ka namang training, so you can ask me, message me directly, you can ask your friend na nandun na matagal na sa industry ng freelancing that might help for you also. Okay? And yeah, I guess I answer those questions. And in addition, you can search online those content creator. Yeah, as I've mentioned earlier, you can search online those content creator who have uploaded or have created a content about the freelancing industry. There's a lot of videos. I do believe that kung nag-work siya sa akin, it will work for you also. Okay, so yun lamang. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.